Good day, everyone. This is your elementary statistics class with Teacher Camille. Before we start our lesson for today, let me ask you a question. What comes into your mind when you hear the word statistics? Today, let me start by giving you the meaning of statistics. It is a branch of mathematics that deals with the theory and method of collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting data. Here's another meaning of statistics from Sukklip. Statistics compromises the collection, tabulation, presentation, and analysis of an aggregate of the facts collected in methodical manner without bias and related to predetermined purpose. And according to Baddington, statistics is the science of estimates and probabilities. Now, let's talk about the key terms used in statistics. Number 1, analysis. It is the manipulation of the data gathered using descriptive and inferential statistics. Number 2, cumulative frequency. It is used in getting the value of the median, the quartiles, deciles, and percentiles. Median used for measuring the central tendency, and the quartiles, deciles, percentiles are used for measuring the central position of a certain data. Number 3, what is data? It is point to the statistical facts, principles, opinions, or various items of different sources. Number 4, statistical data. It is concerned with the quantitative or any kind of numerical data such as figures on sales, ages, tax returns, population, births, deaths, and many more. Number 5, data collection. It is the process and methods of gathering information by interview, questionnaire, experiments, observations, and documentary analysis. Number 6, group data. Group data are properly organized and classified data such as the use of the frequency distribution table. Number 7 is the data presentation. Takes the form of tables and graphs and also textual form. Number 8, frequency distribution. Frequency distribution is the tabulation of data by grouping them with class interval. When the researcher gathers all the needed data, the next task is to organize and present them with the use of appropriate tables and graphs. Frequency distribution is the one system used to facilitate the description of important features of the data. Number 8, graphical presentation. Points to the construction of bar graphs, frequency polygons, pie charts, and pictographs among others. Number 10, interpretation. Interpretation makes clear results of the analysis using statistical methods to see whether the significant differences or relationships exist between variables. Number 11, parameter. It is the characteristics of a population, like population mean, population standard deviation, population variance, and many more. Number 12. The population. It is defined as the totality of objects, individuals, or reactions which have common observable characteristics. Some examples of populations are the students in a particular school, employees of a company, books published by the publishing house, or manufactured articles in a certain firm. Number 13. Sample. Sample refers to the element of objects or individuals selected from the population, or when the mass of data is too great to be handled, the sampling method is utilized. Number 14 is the sampling method or sampling technique. Refers to the method of getting a small but representative cross-section of the population. It is a finite number of objects chosen from the population. Sampling methods are utilized to test the validity of conclusions or inferences from the sample to population. Number 15. Random sampling. It involves the selection of samples such that each sample of a given size has precisely the probability of being selected, and it refers to the limited number of individuals chosen from the population, and the simplest method of random sampling is through lottery. Number 16. Descriptive statistics. Includes frequency distribution, measures of central tendency, measures of central location, measures of dispersion or variation, graphs, skewness, and kurtosis. It refers to the collection, organization, presentation, computation, and interpretation of data in order to describe the samples under investigation. Number 17. Inferential statistics. It is the technique by which decision and conclusion are to be made from the population observed using only the representative samples. It is a statistical tool that seeks to give information or inferences or implications pertaining to the populations by studying its representative samples. So this is the difference between the descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. We have been talking about the statistics. Now, let us enumerate and discuss the importance of statistics in different fields. Let's begin. In research, it is important for the researchers and also consumers of research to understand statistics so that they can be informed, evaluate the credibility and usefulness of information, and make appropriate decisions. Various statistical techniques are used in the laboratories, experimental fields, or under controlled conditions. Next is in education. Statistics is very important in education as it helps in collecting, presenting analysis, and interpreting data. It also helps in drawing general conclusion. Statistics is very useful in doing research work. In the field of education, statistical tools are used to gather data and the information on enrollment, finance, and physical facilities that are essentially needed to have an effective administration and management. In business and economics, in economics research, statistical methods are used to collect and analyze the data and test hypotheses. The relationship between supply and demand is studied by statistical methods. Imports and exports, inflation rates, and per capita income are problems which require a good knowledge of statistics. Statistics plays an important role in exploration of new markets for a new product, forecasting of business trends, control and maintenance of high-quality products. Next, in psychology, psychologists need to be able to utilize statistical methods to conduct research, analyze data, interpret results, and report their findings, like to organize data on intelligence score, attitudes, personal traits, ratings, attitude, values, behavior, and patterns. In biological sciences and chemistry, statistics is a crucial process behind how we make discoveries in science, make decisions based on data, and make predictions. Statistical knowledge helps you to see the proper methods to collect data, employ the correct analysis, and effectively present our results. Next, commerce, trade, and industry. A successful businessman must be a very quick and accurate in decision making. He knows that what his customers wants. He should therefore know what to produce and sell and in what quantities. In engineering, engineers solve problems constantly and repetitively. That's why the need of statistics in the engineering domain is of a huge value. The field of statistics deals with the collection, presentation, analysis, and use of data to make decisions, solve problems, and design products and processes. In fisheries and agriculture, agriculture plays a crucial role in the economy of developing countries and provides the main source of food, income, and employment to their rural populations. Next, in sports, these are new ways of looking at player statistics to get a more complete understanding of a player's actual effect on the most important aspect of sports, the wins and the losses. That's all for today. Thank you.